Dickerson Ermox XPA-12 shotgun is a combat dual-mode shotgun, adjustable for semi-automatic or pump-action operation. In semi-automatic mode, a gas piston drives the bolt carrier. In pump-action mode, the same components are driven by sliding the fore-end backwards. XPA-12 is fed by a detachable box magazine as well. Whether it's a basic pump shotgun, an inertia or gas-operated semi-automatic, a supremely balanced over and under or a stunning side-by-side, you'll feel the Dickerson difference the moment you pick one up. Wood and metal parts perfectly shaped and hand-fitted together. Premium quality components and finish work. Solid actions that perform reliably in the toughest conditions. And beautiful touches like hand-checked Turkish walnut stocks and fore-ends, rare bone charcoal case hardening, and exquisite hand engraving. Dickerson can also work with you to create custom guns that meet the specific needs, shooting styles and aesthetic tastes of the most demanding hunters and collectors. Dickerson offers one of the most complete lines of shotguns in the world today. There is truly something for everyone, from small game enthusiasts to upland bird and waterfowl hunters to competitive target shooters. Our tactical and home defense shotguns are also handcrafted to the highest standards, providing professionals with legendary performance and time-proven reliability under fire. At Dickerson Arms, we are building our reputation one shotgun and one customer at a time. When you buy a Dickerson shotgun, you become part of our family, and we pledge to support you with the finest products and the best US-based customer support in the industry.